Hello and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to teach you how to make the perfect restaurant quality kale. First, bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Start by removing 2/3 of the stem by holding the leafy part and pulling the stem towards the top. Be sure to give it a good rinse and a good stir. This will help remove any soil or sand that is caught in the leaves. You can chop the kale any way you like. It is best to cut it across the stem because this will help it cook more consistently. I prefer to use shallots, but you can use any type of onion you have. Just make sure when you cut it, all the pieces are the same size. Add 1 tablespoon of extra virgin olive oil to a sauté pan on medium-low heat. Add the shallots and hot pepper seeds. In the meantime, add the kale to the boiling water. By quickly blanching it, this will set the color and make it a vibrant green. Blanch it for roughly 2 minutes. Drain the cooked kale. When the shallots are translucent, add the garlic, give it a stir. Add the well-drained kale. Season with adobo, sea salt, and black pepper. Give it a good stir. Sauté it for an additional minute. You can find the recipe and instructions below in the description. Thank you.